Hi everyone, Tsofatsu here from Lusika Rats. Welcome to another video. Today we're talking table manners. It's about to be a festive time and you're going to be meeting many different people, going to different places, eating with many different people. And now imagine you're in bots or you might be visiting for the first time and you're like, how am I going to address this? Well, I got you. I'm Tsofatsu from Lusika Rats and today, table manners. Now, let me set the scene. We eat in different settings in Botswana or, Setswana culture. We eat in different settings because you might have a family meal, you might have a community meal, you might have a big meal because it's a wedding or it's a funeral. Now, the patriarchal system exists in, sorry, it exists in all those settings, right? And so the protocols still kind of uphold that system. Don't shoot the messenger. I'm just telling you. So to have manners at the table is important and part of our cultural education, which is why I'm here. So protocol. The men, they have their own tasks. Let's say you're going to a wedding or funeral, or a community meal. Their tasks is to go organize the firewood because you're going to be cooking usually outside unless you're getting catered, but that's a different whole protocol. But you're usually going to cook outside at the fire. So the guys go and get the fire. Dikong are the wood. So they go and get the wood, firewood. Dikong, firewood. And then they organize the meat. Botswana is a very meat proud country. We export a lot of beef and we are very snobbish about meat in general because we get good quality meat. So the guys organize the meat. The meat tends to be the main event in any Setswana function. Meat is a main event. So by organizing the meat that I'm talking about, what the guys do, that means they get the chicken or the lamb or the goat or the cow and make it so that it can get on a plate. So kill it, skin it, slice it, all the things. In some celebrations, the men might also actually cook the meat or cook certain parts of the meat. But making sure that there is enough meat, that's a guy's job. And then when they have the meat, they go and give it to the women who then make the fire and do the actual cooking of the rest of the food. So the pap, the buhobe, which is like polenta, or the stampa, which is like corn. That's all done by women. The salads, all the stuff, the actual meat, no, not meat, all the other foods are cooked by the women. And then the women prepare the meal and they serve the meal, and the elders are served first. But before you serve elders, you go to them and help them wash their hands. So you go often with a bowl that has soapy water and a cloth, and you use a bucket and you put the jug full of water, soapy water, and you pour it into the bowl while someone's washing their hands. And they wash their hands and give them a cloth and they dry. So you do that to everyone. Usually that's performed by a girl child who just goes around helping people wash their hands. And then you serve the elder people first. You serve the elders first. So you serve the elders first in all settings. And the head of the family, especially if this is a family meal, tends to get more meat than everybody else at the table. But you serve the elderly first, and then the rest of the other people will eat. So that's what how you prepare it. Now, during a wedding, the slaughtering of the cow, sometimes they shoot the cow and kill the cow. That's all done by men. And sometimes there's a special part of the cow that is only cooked and eaten by men. But otherwise, the women do the majority of the actual cooking and the serving and the washing of the plates. So your table manners are, you have to wait your turn. You have to see who's older than you, who's younger than you, and slot yourself in the middle there so you can eat at the right time. If you are being hosted by someone, usually the host tells you when it's time to eat and how you can help. Setswana is a very communal culture, so you can help by helping people wash their hands, clearing the table, washing plates. That's always part of everybody's job. And then you eat with your right hand. You eat with your right hand because your left hand is for doing other unclean business. So you eat with your right hand. And you can use your hand to eat. I know Zoran Mamdani was recently criticized for eating with his hand. In our culture, we also eat with the hand. Usually like traditional food, not rice and things, but usually traditional food is eaten with your hand. So yeah, hopefully just taught you some Setswana table manners so that this festive season you're doing things right. Till next time, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and do all the good things, and buy our books from Amazon. Till next time, bye. Hosiame.